Hi, it's the Hub Mama. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can start a post in the iHub app. I don't go into detail in this tutorial on what to do to create the post once you're in there. That I cover in a couple different tutorials. So this is just to show you where you can start or create a post. The first way is through the build area, and that is at build.ihub.app. You'll need to log in and you'll land here on your dashboard, and then you'll go over to create posts. Now, once you're in the post area, you have 3 different options for creating a post. You can choose one of your previous posts and clone it by clicking on those 3 little dots and then clone. That will create an exact copy that you can of that post that you can then use as a template for your new one. The other ways are through add post, and you can either paste or create your content directly here in the body area, or you can post from link and paste a URL of an article you want to share and let the iHub app create the post for you from that URL. So one of the things that confuses people sometimes about creating a post from the build area is that if you have created a post that is in a member request or a private channel, you will not be able to view it unless you are actually signed into the front end of your hub. It's a separate login from the build area. And I won't get into the details, but it's because the iHub app is a permission-based platform that only sends member request channel or private channel content to registered users that are subscribed to that channel. So you need to be logged in to the front side of your iHub app in order to view a post that you just published from the build area. Now, if it's a public post, you'll see it no matter what. This is just applies for member request or private channels. If you want to avoid that little confusion, here is a second way to add a post from the iHub app. You're going to go to your hub, and mine is hubmama.ihub.app. You're going to sign in, and you're going to go to your channel page. And once you're on your channel page, you choose the channel that you want to create the post in, and it takes you to that channel, and you will see a compose button down here in the corner. You could do this on your laptop, desktop, phone, tablet, any of this. It's all the same. So you'll click on compose, and the same creation area that shows up in the build area will pop up. And it's already set just to that channel, and you can create your post. And once you hit publish, since you're already signed into the hub and you created it on the hub, you will be able to see it even if it's in a member request channel or a private channel. Now, the third way to create a post is for those times where you just want to put something out really quickly. It's important. You don't want to deal with coming to your hub at all. You're going to, now the first time you do it, you'll have to come in here and copy a link. And I'll show you how to do that and what that is. And then once you do that, from that point on, you can only use your email platform on your computer or your phone to create a post moving forward. So to do it for the first time, you come to channels and users and click on channels. You're going to choose the channel that you want to post the content on. You're going to click on the 3 little dots, and you're going to click on post by email address. That copies the email address for this channel onto your clipboard. Then you can go to your email platform, and you're going to click on create an email. You're going to paste that email here in the to box. And in order to use it for the future, you want to save this to your contacts. And by doing that, and you can call it My Hub, whatever the name is, channel. And so then for the future, all you have to do is come here and choose that from your contacts, and that email address will automatically pop up. For the title of the post, you will put it here in the subject, and then your content will go here. Now, if you want to add an image, you can. It doesn't show up like this in the post though, and I'll show you what I mean. And so once that's done, you're going to click on send, and I'll show you what it looks like. So here is what a post looks like that you emailed. It doesn't have all the images and all the prettiness that a regular post has. But there's your title, there's your content, and there is the image. So it attaches it. But sometimes that's a necessary way to whip out some content really quickly. So those are the 3 different ways that you can create a post on the IHUB app. Again, for the details on what you need to do once you're in there creating your post, you definitely want to check out my tutorials on how to create a post on the IHUB app from the builder, and how to create a post from Link. I have both of those tutorials on my YouTube channel or on my hub at hubmama.ihub.app. And you will just click on the IHUBApp tutorials menu option to see all of those tutorials. So that's it for this tutorial. Have a great day.